Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. This is Kisi Tech at your service. We're excited to dive deep into the fascinating world of Honor. Today, we're focusing on the Honor X6A, a device that has truly made waves in the consumer electronics market. If you're one of the proud owners of this stellar smartphone, you're in for a treat. We're going to explore an essential aspect of device maintenance, LCD replacement. So grab your tools and let's get into the details. The Honor X6A is renowned for its sleek design, impressive display, and powerful performance at an affordable price point. It features a large LCD screen that provides vibrant colors, sharp images, and smooth touch response. However, like all smartphones, it's susceptible to accidental drops, impacts, and other mishaps that can lead to screen damage. When that happens, understanding how to replace the LCD becomes crucial for restoring your device's full functionality and appearance. Part 1. Understanding the LCD in Honor X6A. Before jumping into the replacement process, it's vital to understand what the LCD does and the components involved. LCD, liquid crystal display. It displays images, videos, and user interface elements. Touchscreen digitizer. Often integrated with the LCD, it registers your finger inputs. Protection layer. The outer glass or tempered cover that protects the LCD. In many cases, damage to the LCD can manifest as cracked or shattered glass, dead pixels or discoloration, touch responsiveness issues, flickering or blank screens. When faced with these issues, replacing the LCD is often the best solution. Part 2. Tools and parts needed for LCD replacement. Embarking on an LCD replacement requires the right tools and parts. Tools. Precision Phillips and Penelope screwdrivers. Plastic pry tools or opening picks. Suction cup. Tweezers, heat gun or eye opener to soften adhesive. Parts. Replacement LCD assembly compatible with Honor X6A. New adhesive strips or glue. Optional. Screen protector for added protection after repair. Note: always source high-quality replacement parts from reputable suppliers to ensure compatibility and durability. Step-by-step LCD replacement process. Remove the back cover. Use a heat gun or eye opener to soften the adhesive securing the back cover. Gently apply heat around the edges. Insert a plastic pry tool to gently separate the cover, working around the perimeter. Disconnect the battery. Locate the battery connector and disconnect it to prevent accidental power on or shorts during repair. Detach the old LCD assembly. Disconnect any flex cables attaching the LCD to the motherboard. Remove screws securing the LCD frame or housing if applicable. Carefully lift out the damaged LCD assembly. Connect the new LCD. Attach flex cables securely. Reassemble the frame or housing with screws. Reconnect the battery. Final assembly. Carefully align the back cover and press it into place. Apply gentle pressure to ensure the adhesive seals properly. Allow the adhesive to cure if necessary. Tips and precautions. Work in a clean, dust-free environment to prevent debris from getting under the screen. Use the right tools to avoid damaging internal components. Be patient and gentle. Forceful prying can crack or damage other parts. Keep track of screws and small parts. During disassembly, back up your data before starting repairs, as accidental damage can occur. When to seek professional help. While DIY repairs can be rewarding and cost-effective, some situations warrant professional assistance. If you're unfamiliar with smartphone repairs, when the device has complex internal damage, if you lack the necessary tools or experience, professional technicians can ensure the repair is done safely and efficiently, preserving your device's integrity. Preventative measures for LCD longevity. To keep your Honor X6A's LCD in top shape, use a sturdy screen protector. Conclusion: replacing the LCD on your Honor X6A might seem daunting at first, but with patience, proper tools, and careful handling, it's entirely doable. Not only does this extend your device's lifespan, but it also saves you money compared to replacing the entire phone. Remember, safety first. If in doubt, consult a professional. Thanks for tuning in to Kisi Tech. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth tech tutorials and reviews. Drop your questions or experiences in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Until next time, stay tech-savvy and take good care of your devices. Disclaimer: repair procedures involve risks. If you're inexperienced or uncomfortable with DIY repairs, seek professional assistance. Deep AI and KeySitech do not assume liability for damages or injuries resulting from repair attempts.